Hi guys, so in this video we are going to talk about the another card of major arcana, that is the Magician. So the Magician card is number 1 card, the number of new beginnings and opportunities and associated with the planet Mercury. The Magician actually stands with one arm stretched upwards towards the universe and the another arm pointing down to the earth. So this represents as above as below. Basically, his positioning represents a connection between a spiritual and a materialistic realm. The Magician uses this relationship to create and manifest his goal in the physical realm. In the physical realm, if someone has this type of magician ability, then it is said that he has divine support and he has everything that is needed in order to create whatever he is manifesting. You can see that there are 4 elements that are present in the table, that is the cup, the sword, the pentacle and the wands. So it is saying that he has all the things available inside him. He is a magician, and if he will take action, he is going to achieve all these things. Okay, also you can see that there is an infinite symbol above his head that represent that he has divine support. He has that psychic ability through which he can manifest all these things in his life. So this is a very positive card. So whenever this card appears in your reading, it says that go, whatever you are thinking, whatever you are planning and whatever you are manifesting, is time to take action on all these things. So basically this card represents the manifestation, the self-belief that you have inside a person. Sometimes when you do reading, this card may comes in a reverse way. Okay, so whenever this card, this Magician card comes in a reverse way, it says that this is not the right time to take the action. Whatever you are thinking, whatever you are planning, you don't have your shit together at this time, you can say. Better it's time to sit back, jump into more knowledge, do a lot of research on your goals and targets that you have planned, and after some time you can bring those manifestation, those goals into action. Yeah, so this is the second card of major arcana. After that we will move to the third card. So that's it in this video. And if you are looking for any kind of consultation in tarot, the consultation is available in Hindi and English both. You can just check the description box of the of this video. Okay, thank you.